I'm convinced. I'm convinced you believe you a thug. You don't know no supers, my super what. Front don't know you. Matter of fact.
So guys, engine tear down. As we begin to do the tear down of the 4AGE Twincam 16valve, the only thing I'm missing for now is the plug spanner. I don't have the plug spanner, but I'll maybe get it tomorrow or during the week. I don't know, I'll see. But yeah guys, so some will say, why don't you just put the engine inside if the engine is fine and whatnot and just run it. But the thing about old school, old things specifically, old things are old things, guys, no matter what. So what I like to do is that I like to refresh old things, no matter if I got the engine running from a running car or whatever. What I'll do, I'll service the engine, overhaul it, put new seals, put new head gasket, put new plugs, new oil, new everything. That's what I do every time when I buy myself old things. That's what I do. Some won't do that, but that's how I move, guys. I make sure that I refresh old things, because first of all, you don't know the history of the engine. You don't know when was it last serviced. You don't know anything about the engine. You just know that the engine runs, and then you wanna continue running it in your car. That's not what I do, guys. I make sure that I refresh everything, overhaul everything, then I put the engine inside the car, run everything, so that I know from the beginning when I last serviced the engine, when was the last overhaul. I did that. That's what I do. But yeah, either way, let's tear down this 4AGE and clean everything. Oh, and I have to get cleaning chemicals so that I can begin to clean this engine, refresh it as refresh as possible, freshen it up. But yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is where we are now. Remove the intake. This is where we are now. Everything looks clean. But yeah, I just wanted to, for those that don't know, in order to do this work simple with the cams and whatnot, with the cams, as you guys can see, they have numbers or the markings from the exhaust side. As you can see, is E2. Every twin cam has these markings. From the exhaust side, from the exhaust manifold, they have the markings, as you guys can see, E2, E3, E4, and E5. And from the intake manifold, we have, as you guys can see, I2, I3, I4, and I5. So if you don't want to confuse these things, what you do is that you get a paper. I like to do them on my phone, on the notes. Then I mark them, even though they show you where they go, but then just to make sure, I always do that. Even when I was overhauling the 4AF, I did the same. I always mark everything, write them down, then make sure that everything is in order. So when I put the engine back on, everything is nice and where it's supposed to go. Everything goes where it's supposed to go. So yeah, this is where we at now. I'm gonna continue. Oh shit, and I don't have what you call this thing, the what you call this thing, the socket for Jesus, just remembered now. It uses the different type of socket, not these ones. So I have to get that in order to remove the top, the head cylinder of the block. So yeah, I guess I have to wait to buy what you call the plug spanner and the socket for the head cylinder. But yeah, I guess we'll move on to other things for now. Remove this, what you call, aircon. So yeah guys, I just removed the cams now. Now I'm stuck with, I don't have the socket to remove the head cylinder, so I have to get that socket maybe during the week. But yeah, the teardown, I guess that's it for today. But so far we managed to push and remove whatever we can remove. Yes, so I guess I'll make another video whereby whenever I got with the plug spanner and the socket for the head. But so far, yeah, this is where we are.